So this first gear rotates once every 3 seconds, and the last gear with the gold mark on it rotates once every 9.5 billion years. So all we have is a motor, these 3D printed gears and stands provided by Abby. He was nice enough to print those for me. Power supply, fuse, and then we have a little counter that keeps track of how many hours this thing's been running. So far it's only been 4.3 hours running. So it's going to take a while before we get any movement from any of these other gears. And then here's some cards that I made, and it shows each gear and how long it's going to take it to make one rotation. Pretty mind-boggling. I'm absolutely obsessed with this machine, with this contraption.